नमस्कार साथियों, अब बैठ जाइए। अभी हम शुरू करने वाले हैं, प्लीज़। नमस्कार साथियों, अभी अभी विस्तारित कांग्रेस कार्य समिति की बैठक समाप्त हुई है। करीब 3 घंटे तक चली है और इसके बारे में विस्तृत जानकारी आपको हमारे प्रभारी, हमारे महासचिव संगठन के वेणुगोपाल जी देंगे। वेणुगोपाल जी।
नमस्कार, थैंक यू जयराम जी। Today, extended CWC had met to discuss about the Lok Sabha elections. Among the CWC members, out of 37, 32 people, 32 leaders attended. Permanent invitee out of 30, 26. Special invitee out of 14, 12. Out of 33 PCC President, 29. Out of 22 CLP leaders, 18. And others 3. Total attendance is 120 people out of 139. And around 35 people other than leaders participated in the discussion. We had a thorough discussion of 3.5 hours about the election results of 2024. We are discussed about the various issues like campaigning and our guarantee schemes. Certainly, the troublesome path created by the Narendra Modi government during the election time. We already told several times this election was very much new for our parliamentary democracy system. We have been asking for a level playing field for the opposition party, which we didn't get from union government or the party. Despite of all these things, you people know that they've frozen our accounts during the election time itself. They blackmailed some of our leaders with the ED and CBI and all agencies. Some of the people are fallen on the trap. Even though all this type of intimidation against the opposition party had been done by the government side, we have done a wonderful performance in the parliament election. Our journey was a very troublesome journey, very difficult period for us, but our Congress workers from bottom to top, workers to leaders, fought like a warriors to save this country, to save the democracy of this country, to save the constitution of the country. Now the CWC discussed, we had little bit problem in some of the states where we had done badly. That also CWC today discussed. Basically, the atmosphere in the CWC is entirely different than the atmosphere 4 months before. Our workers are charged, leaders are charged. Now the revival of the Congress party have been started. This is the sentiments of the CWC. Everybody thought that Congress is going to be finished. Then what will happen? Even after election also, final day the exit poll came That exit poll, this election is a very, very different fight. We have to fight against exit poll also. 3 days we fight against the exit poll. First evening exit poll come, our communication department had fighted against the exit poll, first, second, third, till fourth. Why this had happened? Because there were several attempts to divert the entire agenda of Congress and India alliance to divisive politics. The BJP government had only one agenda. Narendra Modi led BJP had only one agenda, to divide the people. No answer of unemployment, no answer about price rise, no answer to Agniveer issues. But Congress party and India alliance stood very strongly in that way, that stick with our guarantees, our narrative. This was very fabulous. CWC unanimously acknowledged the greatest service done by our Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji and former President Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji and Priyanka Gandhi ji for making Congress party in such a level. We adopted 2 resolutions today. One resolution, I will read it out. I think it is better. This meeting of the CWC congratulates the people of our country for voting so powerfully to preserve our democracy, protect the Republic Constitution, and enhance social and economic justice. They have decisively rejected both the substance and style of governance over the past decades. The verdict of the people is not just a political loss, but a moral defeat for the Prime Minister who sought the mandate in his name and ran a campaign anchored in lies, hate, prejudice, divisiveness, and extreme bigotry. The CWC thanks the people of the country for placing the Indian National Congress firmly on the path of revival. The party resilience has been under severe stress since but its leaders, workers, preserved. People across the country have infused new life into the Indian National Congress, for which it is truly grateful. It has been genuinely collective exercise and endeavor. But the CWC would be remiss if it not acknowledge 4 stalwarts who spreaded at the party's well-designed and well-executed campaign. The sheer energy and determination of the Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji was an inspiration to everyone in the party. He was bold and fearless both in parliament and outside, commanding such wide respect as he does for all his accomplishments in this long and distinguished political career. He led from the front and shaped the party's campaign in a most effective manner. The chairperson of the Congress Party, Parliamentary Party, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, has always available for guidance, advice, and support, and her intervention at key moments of the campaign made a big difference. The campaign across the country, but particularly in Uttar Pradesh, of the AICC General Secretary Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was nothing short of being brilliant. She exposed the BJP relentlessly in a most telling manner and communicated the Congress' own key messages very powerfully. Former Congress President Sri Rahul Gandhi has to be singled out largely because of the Bharat Jodo Yatra and the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra that he designed and led. Both these yatras that reflected his own thinking and personality were historic turning points in our nation's politics and instilled hope and confidence in lakhs of our workers and crores of our voters. Sri Rahul Gandhi's election campaign was a single-minded, sharp and pointed, and more than any other individual, it was the who made the protection of our Republic Constitution the central issue in the 2024 elections. The Panchi Guarantee Program, which resonated so very powerfully in the election campaign was the outcome of Rahulji's yatra, in which he listened to the fears, concerns, and aspirations of all peoples, especially youth, women, farmers, workers, Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs, and minorities. The CWC deeply appreciate the contribution made by the PCC President, CLP leaders, office bearers of AICC, PCCs, and DCCs, block presidents, booth level agents, and each and every one of this great and mighty organization. Of course, the CWC warmly congratulates the Congress candidates who have won and have become such a big force in the Lok Sabha. The CWC recognizes the brave fight put up by the candidates who lost, and while sharing their disappointment, extends all good wishes to them as they continue their political activities in the party. The CWC thanks the India parties for fighting so well in different states. India parties in UP, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra especially performed exceedingly well. The 18th Lok Sabha will be influenced hugely by the India parties. The CWC would be failing in its duty if it did not take note of the disappointing performance of the Indian National Congress in some states in the midst of the overall revival and rejuvenation. Urgent steps should and will be taken, address the shortcomings in the state where the party had every reason to hope for a better result, but where that expectation was not fulfilled. Finally, the CWC, while expressing the happiness in the Congress turnaround, also acknowledges that many challenges remain. We have recovered and revived, no doubt but we still have a long way to go to occupy the preeminent position that party has once held in the nation's political life. The people of India have spoken, the Congress has been given another chance. It is now up to us to build on it. We must and we will. This is the solemn resolve of this meeting of the CWC. The Indian National Congress will continue to be steadfast in its commitment to social and economic justice and safeguarding the Constitution and its principles, value and provisions. Another resolution we had passed unanimously. CWC unanimously requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to take the leader of the opposition position in Lok Sabha. All the participants unanimously put up their views on this issue. Everybody was unanimous that Rahul ji should take leader of the opposition position in the Lok Sabha. Because we already told, during this election, we raised so many issues, burning issues, unemployment, price rise, Agniveer-like issues, women issues, social justice issues. So these issues has to be continued in a greater manner inside the parliament also. Rahul ji is the best person to lead this campaign inside the parliament. This is what the CWC's view. Therefore, I think entire CWC feel that in the current scenario of Indian politics, for a better and strong, vigilant opposition, those who want to protect Constitution also, should be safe under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji as a leader of opposition. This is what the CWC resolution. Thank you.
शुक्रिया वेणुगोपाल जी। ये जो रेजोल्यूशन पारित हुआ है उसकी कॉपी आपको अंग्रेज़ी और हिंदी में आपको मिल गया होगा विस्तार से। अभी जो वेणुगोपाल जी ने पढ़ा है, मैं संक्षिप्त में कह दूं कि इस प्रस्ताव में ये कहा गया है कि 2024 के चुनाव नरेंद्र मोदी जी को एक व्यक्तिगत, राजनीतिक और नैतिक हार है। ये जीत है जनता की जीत, किसानों की जीत, युवाओं की जीत, दलित आदिवासी पिछड़े वर्गों की जीत, श्रमिकों की जीत, महिलाओं की जीत है। ये जीत है संविधान को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए। और राहुल जी ने आज बैठक में यही दोहराया कि जो सामाजिक और आर्थिक न्याय का अभियान हमने चलाया था, संविधान को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए जो हमने प्रचार किया था, जातीय जनगणना को लेकर जो हमने बार बार कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष और राहुल जी ने इसका जिक्र किया। किसान न्याय को लेकर जो हमने गारंटियां दी हैं इसका भी उन्होंने उल्लेख किया। ये सब हमारे रेजोल्यूशन में शामिल किया गया है, जिसकी कॉपी आपको मिल गई होगी। अभी आपके कुछ सवाल हैं तो वेणुगोपाल जी उसका जवाब देंगे।
ये जो सर,
हाँ जी असद बोलिए, माइक देना है।
Has Mr. Rahul, am I audible? Hello. Yeah, has Mr. Rahul Gandhi accepted the request to become leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha?
Rahul ji had heard sentiments of the CWC. He told the CWC that he will take a decision very soon.
नेक्स्ट हाँ जी।
राहुल जी अभी 2 सीटों से प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं, रायबरेली और अमेठी। रायबरेली और जो वायनाड सीट है,
of
दोनों
course,
सीटों
that
में से
decision
किस
has to
सीट
be
पर उड़ेगा?
taken before 17th. That decision will come within 2, 3, 4 days.
Hi, sir. I have 2 questions actually. You have just congratulated India Alliance for performing exceedingly well in Bengal. What about the Congress's performance in Bengal? Though we know that Trinamool Congress has performed really well. So, have you discussed Congress's performance inside CWC for Bengal?
Exactly, we told that wherever we have not performance like other states, some states are there. So we are going to have a thorough examination of the results in these states. Certainly, Congress President is going to put up a committee to go to the states and to have a thorough deliberation with the senior leaders and other party workers, and we will come out with a clear-cut statement after that.
सर इसको दोहरा दूं क्योंकि ये बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष हर एक राज्य में जहां हमारा प्रदर्शन निराशाजनक रहा है, एक समिति का गठन होगा और वो समिति जो नतीजे आए हैं अलग अलग राज्यों में जहां हमारे उम्मीदों से कम है, उसकी पूरी तरीके से समीक्षा करेंगे और जल्द से जल्द कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष जी को अपनी रिपोर्ट पेश करेंगे। हाँ सिद्धार्थ
सर, जयराम सर।
हाँ जी जयराम
सर, केसी त्यागी ने एक बड़ा बयान दिया है। उन्होंने ये दावा किया है कि इंडिया गठबंधन की तरफ से नीतीश कुमार को प्रधानमंत्री पद का ऑफर दिया गया था। इस बयान पर आप क्या जवाब देना चाहेंगे, क्या प्रतिक्रिया है? और उन्होंने इसको अस्वीकार कर दिया।
उसी तरफ जानकारी हमारे पास नहीं है।
क्या ऑफर खुला है?
आपको जवाब मिल गया?
क्या भविष्य में सर नीतीश जी को प्रधानमंत्री का ऑफर दिया जा सकता है?
आपको जवाब मिल गया? और कोई सवाल सिद्धार्थ?
सर मेरा सवाल ये, आप लोगों ने कहा कि अर्जेंट स्टेप्स आप लोग लेंगे और जो जहां जहां पे आप लोगों के यहाँ पोल डिबैकल रहा है जिस स्टेट्स में, तो क्या उस स्टेट्स के अलावा एआईसीसी भी रिशफल होगा? क्योंकि कई स्टेट्स के अंदर इंचार्जेस भी हैं और सब जो पदाधिकारी वहां से भी आते हैं, तो क्या एआईसीसी रिशफल भी होगा?
सर इसी के साथ पीसीसी जो हारे हैं या फिर जो काम ठीक तरीके से नहीं कर पाए राज्यों में, जो जिसके लिए अगर रिजल्ट खराब हुआ है, तो उनको क्या हटाया जाएगा? लाइक बंगाल, अभिदा।
We already told that wherever we have a poor performance in the 2024 election, Congress President is going to constitute a committee to look after and to thorough investigation. After that, we will take a call.
थैंक यू सर।
हर एक राज्य में जहां हमारा प्रदर्शन हमारे उम्मीदों से कम हुआ है, उसके लिए कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष एक विशेष समिति बनाएंगे। समिति समीक्षा करेगी, राज्यों में जाएंगे और एक रिपोर्ट पेश करेंगे और जल्द से जल्द जो कार्रवाई करनी है कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को कांग्रेस संगठन की ओर से वो करेंगे।
We are also through our national war room, we are also getting booth-wise results to analyze what happened in each state. We will have also that system.
उत्तर प्रदेश ने लंबे समय के बाद आपको एक सुखद एहसास कराया है, तो उत्तर प्रदेश में संगठन को लेकर कुछ चर्चा हुई है इस बैठक में?
We have already, entire CWC congratulated Uttar Pradesh because the way in which they fought election was exactly commendable. So everybody commented on UPCC
Sir,
and
I
the
just-
special effort done by Priyanka Gandhi ji.
जयराम जी,
प्रदेश का विशेष उल्लेख सभी ने किया, कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष जी ने किया, राहुल जी ने किया, प्रियंका जी ने किया, सभी नेताओं ने किया और सभी का मानना था कि उत्तर प्रदेश में जो नतीजे आए हैं वो देश की राजनीति के लिए एक परिवर्तनकारी नतीजे साबित हुए हैं। तो उत्तर प्रदेश का बहुत विशेष जिक्र हुआ। ऐसे महाराष्ट्र और अलग अलग राज्यों का भी जिक्र हुआ। पर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, आज की बैठक में भावना सकारात्मक था, मनोबल बड़ा है। ये नतीजे कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए एक महा बूस्टर डोज है। ये प्रधानमंत्री जो अभी कल प्रधानमंत्री शपथ ग्रहण हो रहा है, अभी तो कार्यवाहक प्रधानमंत्री ही हैं, उनके लिए व्यक्तिगत, नैतिक और राजनीतिक हार है। हाँ संजीव।
you just said that committees will be set up in all the states where the performance has not been up to the mark for the Congress. But what about states ruled by the Congress? Currently, in all the 3 states where the Congress is ruled, for example, in Telangana, Karnataka, and Himachal has been routed. So, I want to know especially what steps is the Congress taking now in those states where they
No,
are already ruled?
it is applicable for every state. Wherever the performance was not there on the expected level, and we will go through this exercise.
Any responsibilities to be fixed there?
इन राज्यों में ये 3 राज्यों भी शामिल हैं। इसका उल्लेख कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष ने किया है कि जो विधानसभा के चुनाव थे उसके नतीजे के तुलने में लोकसभा के जो नतीजे आए हैं वो हमारे उम्मीदों से कम है इन 3 राज्यों में। तो इन 3 राज्यों में भी ये विश्लेषण किया जाएगा जिसका वेणुगोपाल जी ने अभी जिक्र किया है।
जयराम सर,
जयराम कोई
जी,
सवाल?
जयराम सर,
जयराम जी,
सर इधर।
No, today meeting is evening CPP meeting is to elect a CPP chairperson. As per our CPP constitution, we have to elect a CPP chairperson first. After that, CPP chairperson is going to nominate the floor leaders of the houses.
जयराम जी,
मैं इसको दोहराना चाहता हूं क्योंकि कई लोगों ने अलग अलग खबर छापे हैं और चला रहे हैं। आज 5:30 बजे को कांग्रेस संसदीय दल की बैठक हो रही है जिसमें नवनिर्वाचित लोकसभा सांसद और राज्यसभा सांसद मौजूद होंगे। वो कांग्रेस संसदीय दल के नेता चुनेंगे। सिर्फ वही एक एजेंडा है, एकमात्र विषय है आज के 5:30 बजे मीटिंग का, कांग्रेस संसदीय दल का नेता चुनना। उसके बाद क्या कार्रवाई होगी लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में, कांग्रेस संसदीय दल के नेता पर निर्भर होगा।
Jairam sir, one question from here, please. Sir, sir, my question is, sir, will you contact the other regional parties as well? Because Mr. Bhupesh Baghel has recently given a statement that there will be midterm elections because NDA is not going to form a stable government. So, any discussion being held in CWC meeting to contact the other regional parties?
Today, our discussion is very clear. Analysis on Lok Sabha elections. Nothing else.
जयराम जी, सर
बिल्कुल नहीं, कोई प्रस्ताव नहीं है, कोई प्रस्ताव नहीं है। एलओपी राज्यसभा में कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है।
जयराम जी,
मेरे शब्दों को घुमाइए मत।
जयराम जी,
Clearly,
Jairam
we
ji.
already clearly told that. Only LOP in Lok
Jairam ji.
Sabha.
राज्यसभा में नए चीफ विप बन सकते हैं, नए एलओपी नहीं बन सकते।
जयराम जी,
मैं संदीप बोल रहा हूं वर्तमान न्यूज़पेपर से। मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है कि कल जयराम जी, मैं संदीप बोल रहा हूं वर्तमान न्यूज़पेपर से। क्या कल नरेंद्र मोदी के स्वेरिंग सेरेमनी में कांग्रेस पार्टी भाग लेंगे?
वेणुगोपाल जी जवाब दीजिए।
No, that India Alliance will take a call.
Not yet dated, you have take a call.
India Alliance will take a call on that. So far, we didn't get any invitation.
Okay, thank you very much.
वेणुगोपाल जी, वेणुगोपाल जी, वेणुगोपाल जी, वेणुगोपाल जी, सर 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 अभिषेक बनर्जी अलग से, अभिषेक बनर्जी
कल के शपथ ग्रहण समारोह के लिए सिर्फ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नेताओं को निमंत्रण गया है, अभी तक हमारे नेताओं को निमंत्रण नहीं आया है। जब हमारे इंडिया जनबंधन के नेताओं को निमंत्रण आएगा, अगर वो आएगा, उस पर हम विचार करेंगे।
सर अभिषेक बनर्जी अलग से शिवसेना के साथ, अखिलेश जी के साथ,
जयराम जी,
Have you told that answer? Earlier question था, निर्णय दो तीन दिन के अंदर निर्णय हो चुका।
सर
ओके
सर, इंडिया
सर,
ब्लॉक के
अभिषेक बनर्जी
इंडिया
अलग
ब्लॉक
से-
की कुछ पार्टीज नाराज हैं। राजस्थान के हनुमान बेनीवाल कह रहे हैं कि हमें पूछा नहीं गया, हमारी छोटी पार्टी है, तो अभी से ये दिक्कतें क्यों शुरू हो गई सर?
Yesterday I spoke to Hanuman Beniwal ji. He was very happy.
सर
सब ठीक
अभिषेक
है?
बनर्जी,
सब
सर
ठीक है, सब
अभिषेक
ठीक है। कल
वेणुगोपाल-
भाषण दिया।
वेणुगोपाल
हनुमान बेनीवाल जी से वेणुगोपाल जी की बात हुई है, सब ठीक ठाक है। जो खबरें छप रही हैं बिल्कुल गलत है।
कम ऑन गाइस, हरी अप।
अरे सुनना, एक ब्रेक ले लेते हैं।
गाइस आई एम टेलिंग यू, तुम लोगों को सही से ट्रैकिंग नहीं आता, बट दैट्स ओके, यू कैन लर्न। रोज का ढक्कन देना। तो ये रेड वाला है, सही वाला देना।
अबे ढक्कन, पहले तो सही पानी पीना।
Manikchand Oxyrich, proudly Indian.